Welcome back to Primetime News.
And a special welcome once again to our viewers on onespotmedia.com.
We begin this evening with a developing story. A male student is dead, while a female student is reportedly in hospital after a shooting in close proximity to the Grange Hill High School in Westmoreland. TVJ News understands that the two had just left the school's sports day when gunmen traveling on a motorcycle opened fire at them. The male student was reportedly hit in his upper body, while the female in the region of her arm. Sources say he was the target of the gun attack. The incident happened sometime after 5 p.m. Now we'll have more on this developing story in subsequent newscasts.